Hello, this is Vita from Lelijo and I love Mosaic Crochet. In this short video I will introduce Lelijo Mosaic pattern generator in Excel. On my website I have free online Mosaic Crochet generator tool. It's easy to use, but it has very limited functionality. There is another tool I have. It is Excel app created for serious crocheters. This advanced version allows you to create crochet patterns locally on your computer. Let's see how it works. To run this app, you will need standard Microsoft Office. I use Microsoft 365 subscription. Let's open the Excel file. You need to click Enable to proceed. In the first sheet of Excel, let's click on the small grid button. The chart grid is where you create your design. Each cell represents one stitch in your pattern. Each cell is either white or gray. To change the color of a cell, double-click on it. Another way is to click the gray button on the left. You can also select multiple cells and click the gray button to color them all at once. After creating a design with gray and white colors, click the Add X button. This adds X to the grid. As you can see, there is an issue in this design. It's marked in yellow. Let's fix it. We have two options here. I'll change the color of the yellow cell to gray. Now it's time to check the design. Click the Check Design button. It says all clear, no issues found. That means we can now generate the pattern text. Click the pattern text button, then scroll down to find the written pattern. Next step is exporting the chart and pattern text to PDF. Here is how it looks in PDF file. There are three different grid sizes available, 20, 40 and 60 stitches. If you want to start over, just click the Reset button. I invite you to try both Mosaic pattern generators, online version, which is free but has limited functionality, and the Excel app. I'll put the links in the description below. Please let me know if you have any questions. Also, I suggest subscribing to the channel if you like to see my new videos. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!